Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue type conversion of integers in Rust. If you haven't checked the previous part, the link is in the description. Okay, in previous part we have seen how to convert from i8 to u8 type or vice versa. And we have seen what are the complications and issues we can have interchanging this type. All the scenarios we discussed in that video is valid for all other sizes of integer types. So I will not go in detail in this video. Let's see what are the things to take care converting from signed type to unsigned type of the same memory size. While changing signed type to unsigned type, make sure we do not convert a negative number to unsigned number. It will lead to bugs in your program. Let's see in code. Let num colon I16 is equal minus 1, 2, 3. Now let's convert this I16 type to the U16 type. Let converted num colon U16 equal num as U16. Print this variable. Now run the code. Look at the output. I have already explained why we are getting this strange output in detail in my previous video. If you have doubt, check that video first. Now, if you look at type conversion from unsigned to signed, the only thing we need to take care is not to convert out of range number. Let's check the region in contrast to 16-bit sizes. In U16 type, we can store maximum 65535, while in I16 type, we can store max only 32767. So, if you try to convert a variable of type U16 which have value more than 32767 will give you a strange result. Let's check this in code. Run the code. Now we understood the precautions we should take for the type conversions in Rust. You can check these scenarios in all other integer sizes as well. That is it for today. In next video, I will discuss how we can change the integer types of different sizes. Till now, we have discussed about the interchanging of types from signed to unsigned integers or vice versa of the same memory size. In next video, we'll discuss how we can convert integers of different memory sizes and what are the precautions we need to take when we deal with this type of type conversion. So stay tuned and give it a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.